we hold a lot of responsibility to pay respect to the stories and to a lot of different aspects of the story. And even like with the cheerleading, like I talked about this a lot, but really wanted to pay respect to that thing. Sometimes it would make me anxious, but then at the same time I'm grateful for it because it shows that we care. And we care about making this project good and the show good. So, yes.
Sobrang, like what Aya said, sobrang pressure po yung sa amin to kasi this is the biggest project that we're doing. And pressure is good because it means na mahalaga yung project po sa amin. And we just want to do our best kahit masustain lang namin yung first and second book as long as magustuhan ng fans at ma-appreciate po yung binigay namin na work. Okay na po sa amin.
Thank you. From sexy to wholesome. Ibig sabihin nito ay... Wait na nga. Ibig bang sabihin nito ay hindi na kayo magbibiba max?
For now naman po, me and the management talked about this na we should focus on university series. Pero of course, we're not closing the door to do movies like that. Pero as of now, we want to focus on being savvy and improving our game.
Di ka magsintiyan ko ng sexy dito, no? Dahil husa?
Yes. Awesome naman dito.
Okay. Wilbert. Si Wilbert ako yung pinakamarami kasing sexy.
Sana po. Actually, sa matagal na po ito, sobrang magto 2 years na po ata na 1 year pala na management po mismo yung nag-decide for me na to stop na Viva Max and then mag-focus na sa wholesome. Yun lang.
Relief ba ito para sa'yo? Relief ba ito para sa'yo?
Medyo. Kasi merong bigat, hindi po kasi talaga madali to do things like sex scenes and lalo parang wholesome naman ako sa totoong buhay. Kaya medyo, hindi po siya madali talaga. Nakakapagod po siya sa katawan, sa utak. So, hindi na po siya sa mga wholesome na mga project. So, medyo mas magaan na po siguro in terms sa work na ginagawa. Ayun.
Thank you. Papuwanas naman dito gab dyan. Too good to be true. Pwede mo pakita in person kung talagang braso niya. Yes naman. Sa totoo lang, parang laki-laki. Hindi ba enhance yan?
Kakatapos ko po lang po mag-gym na niya actually.
Okay. So hindi ano yan. Oh. Take it off. Take it off. Pakita job para sa fans.
Sige, sabi nila po sa movie na lang, para sa show nila po, para may abangan na rin gusto.
Sus!
Okay. Good.
Sa pagkakaalam ko, ang totoo lang na may relasyon sa inyo si Heaven at si Marvel. So the rest of the love teams, wala bang level up sa inyong sitwasyon? Wala ba kayong gagawin para maging totohanan na rin ang relasyon niyo tulad ni Heaven at ni Marvel? Siguro si ano muna, si Gab tsaka si Hyacinth.
For me, I'm really happy of what me and Haya have because we've been closer for the past few months because we've been doing workshops, relationship works, and especially the music video. And I'm just happy to be there with her, like seeing her grow as an actress. And I think, syempre Marvel na yan, hindi namin, ayaw po namin mag-compare and we just want to grow as a love team na may each identity.
Yes, Hyacinth.
I don't really want to think about that. I don't right now. I mean, so far we're just really focusing sa project natin, and of course our relationship and the foundation of our relationship thing. Pero so far, you know, I feel very, have is we're a team together, and I feel very safe with him. I'm very grateful for that.
Krisha, kayo, kumusta naman dyan?
Hi po. Okay lang po. Payapa ang aming mga puso. May kalma lang naman kami. Siyempre. Hindi mo masasabi ko po kasi kung kausap ko.
Nasaan siya ngayon? Wala.
Kasi kailangan po yung mag-swimming papunta dito. So, dyan lang po yung siya ako.
Hindi mo ba siya dadamayan? Tutulungan mo.
Nag-message naman po ako na sana everyone safe. Sana may safe sa mga safe naman. Safe naman. Mukha naman.
Ayun, thank you sa mga couples and congratulations.
Okay, thank you very much. Open the floor to...
Hindi pa pala love team.
Ay, sorry.
Sorry, pakisagot din.
Si Shakira pala.
Oo, tsaka si Jairus. Or baka kayo
Kami din matagal, kami pinakamatagal. Sa dulo pa po kasi istorya namin ni Jairus. And for now, we've been really enjoying being with the whole Vergada. And ewan ko, saya naman katrabaho. And let's go!
Then, syempre, like what Nicole said, malayo pa talaga yung book namin. So as of the moment, we enjoy each other's company talaga bilang co-workers kasi actually, the next book, mas nag-upgrade din yung connection namin in terms of working with each other. Mas naiintindihan namin sa isa kung ano dapat gawin sa promos and sa show itself. So, yeah, getting better every year, so we just enjoy each other's company with us. Yeah.
So, pasasagutin ko pa si Wilbert at si Bea kung kumusta na sa relasyon mo.
Gusto bang relasyon namin?
Wala naman po. Ngayon na lang kami magkakatrabaho nito sa Nocturno. But, ako po para sa akin, sa isang love team naman, hindi naman necessary na kailangan maging kayo talaga in real life. What's important is maayos kayong nagtatrabaho, maayos yung working relationship din ninyo because after all, we all have lives outside our work. And I'm really grateful because Wilbert is, I feel like Wilbert is such a very reliable love team naman sa trabaho.
Thank you for your wonderful words. Matagal po kasi yung book namin, so friends naman kami.
Wilbert, parang kinikilig ka habang nagsasalita si Bea.
Sabi yung responsible daw ako eh. Reliable pala. Nakatrabaho na po kasi kami sa Nocturno, so alam na po namin yung working relationship namin, paano kami, nagka-eksena na kami sa... Ba't ka ba nakaasal? Nagkaka-eksena na po kami sa mismo, so... Ayun po. Yun lang.
Ayun, thank you guys.
We have Jojo Panaligan.
Hi.
Dito po.
Thank you. Kay Direct ni-require, dito po.
Sa harapan po?
Yan. Ni-require nyo ba silang lahat na basahin yung libro at in-instruct mo ba sila to be 100% true to the characters? At meron din ba kayong deviation from the story or characterization para mas maging cinematic? Sorry, related kasi yung mga questions. Okay.
I think nabasa naman na nila even before pa kasi third book na to. So, and ano kasi siya, diba? Interconnected lahat ng mundo. So, alam ko nabasa na nila lahat.
Instruction na maging 100%.
I think, in terms of character, we wanna be as loyal as possible dun sa sinulat ni Guay. Kasi tested na yung book ni Guay. Kumbaga, tsaka, as I've said, kami mismo, we fell in love with the characters nung sinulat siya. So, it's more of, I think, owning the character in a different way. Parang pag in-act nila, may mga small touches of their personality. Pero, we try to be as loyal as possible.
So kung ano mababasa mo, yun na makikita mo.
Yes.
Thank you.
Kasi parang na-pressure ako.
Sorry.
Alright, maraming salamat po. Moving on to Random Republica. We have Kate Adahan.
Hi, good afternoon. My question is for Guy. Guy, congratulations. I know na pati ikaw mismo as a writer, you gained a fan base. So ngayon, I think are you still in law school and how do you balance everything? And ano yung aabangan? May law school love story.
Yes, I'm still in law school po. How do I balance? Actually, sobrang hirap na po right now. Kaya, dami ko mga script na babasahin as of the moment. But I always find time. I just know my priorities. For me, school is at the top talaga. And then, of course, I still try to reach yung deadlines for the scripts kasi lahat yun kailangan i-review it. It's hard kasi I have to be on guard. Kailangan word by word I have to read and hindi ko pwedeng skim because, we all try to protect the essence of the story. So, kailangan yung mga information sakto since they're all interconnected with each other. Kailangan yung timelines, they're all sakto sa book. Kasi if not, magkakagulo talaga lahat. So, it's really hard right now. Pero, I still try to balance everything out. For the law school love story, since tapos na po kasi until book 6, I don't think there's a law school love story there. But I'm keeping that in mind if ever I write more in the future.
Buhan ng love team, sinong unang nanunuyo?
Ay, di ba po kami nagkaroon ng tampuhan ni Haya? Pero of course, yung lalaki po siyempre kailangan po ng manuyo para sa akin.
So I guess Manuyo is same story. Yeah. I agree with that.
Kakaloko tong si Marco.
Nagkatampuan na ba kayo?
Nagkatampuan na ba?
Yes. Si Krisha and Jerome, meron na ba? Wala pa.
Jerome? Sa amin, dalawa naman po kasi, since ako halimbawa, automatic naman sa akin, pag na-feel ko lang ako yung unang nagkamali, I will say sorry. Kapag siya nagkamali, I will say sorry. So, balikan lang po.
Thank you.
Okay. Sino pa? May tampuhan?
Jairus.
Wala. Kasi syempre, professional naman kami lahat magtrabaho dito. So, as much as possible, we set emotions aside. And I don't think things get too personal kasi we're working naman talaga as per our characters. So, walang tampuhan. And if ever man, worst comes to worst scenario, mangyari man, syempre, the guy will always be the first one para humingi ng sorry if ever naman yung tampuhan. But at the end of the day, we're professionals, we're just working. And yeah, we have good connections naman per love music. So, ikaw, Wilbert.
Hindi pa po kami umaabot doon. Wala pa lang pong tampuhan sa amin. Pero if ever meron, siyempre ako yung magsasorry. Kahit maligo, wala lang. Pero kung talaga po lalaki.
Totoo yan na. Tatuloy namin kayo ulit sa next meeting. Ikaw hinahabol o ikaw ang nanghahabol? Okay. We have a mic for her.
Ako po, gusto ko po ako po yung hinahabol.
Bakit may kilig mo? Para pong may naaalala ka.
Ay, wala po. Ano lang po yun? Kanyari po, chini-chase po ako ni Teo. Ganun po. Ay! Hindi po. Ayun po talaga gusto ko po. Kasi po parang, ganun po talaga kapag babae. Ang pangit kung babae yung maghahabol. Diba? So, mas okay yung...
Yes. Okay, thank you. Moving on, no need for explanation. Just answer. Chasing, and real to be chased or the one chasing? Okay.
BRT
Walang explanation?
No explanation.
Hindi ako na lang yung mahabol.
Okay.
Pero gusto ko naman yung hinahabol.
Ako po, kung may kailangan ko iabot na habulin. Iabot na pala. At ano po, chini-chase. Yan.
Gusto ko yung ako yung naghahabol.
Mas maganda kung walang habulan na nangyayari, di ba? Pero ako, gusto ko syempre yung, ikaw yung pinipursue. Huwag chase, pinipursue. Direct. Kasama si Direct. Ikaw na lang si Direct.
Tinatamad akong tumakbo yun, gusto ko mag-chase.
Ako din yung chini-chase.
Chase din po.
For me, being as a guy, gusto ko na nag-challenge ko, so nag-chase siguro.
Chase.
Artista mo siya.
Pinag-usapan namin ni Krisha. Parang gusto naman namin, pero bakit kami magpapachase? Chase na natin. Palaman siya, tsaka si Luna.
Wilbert, anong sabi mo? Wolf? Ako chase. Roar.
Bakit kami chase? Naka-same din, to be chase.
It feels like, alam naman namin lahat na everyone was gonna have their book. So like, you know, I'm actually happy na nauna kami kasi parang yung lahat ng bigat. At parang exam lang sa school. Kami nauna, tapos na. So like, you know, the pressure was onto Christian Jerome, and then now it's onto Gabs and Hyacinth. So like, honestly, Heaven and I feel like we're just enjoying the whole thing now. It's less stressful because we have less lines to take care of on set, and we have our own thing going. Like this feels like a recap. Parang every time, parang nakakatuwa lang na makita na dumadagdag yung cast, na dumadagdag yung lahat ng fans sa iba't ibang love team. Parang nag-grow lahat. And yung reporters natin sobrang dumadami lalo. Yeah, you know, super chill lang. Walang, ano lang. Kakatuwa nga eh, ang dami ko ng banner nakikita kay Hyacinth. It's cute.
Heaven?
Kasi parang ito po naging pamilya na eh. Alam niyo yun. So every time na nakikita kami, usually may labas after or get together after. Kung hindi man after the work, minsan kung sino lang libre. And so, parang kami naman, ako as being like dun sa first book, parang pag may mga questions sila Haya or noon si Christian, parang nandyan kami to give advice. And so parang kaming naging mother and father, like sinasabi namin pag sa love team, like partners yan, kayong dalawa ang dapat laging okay, kumbaga. Kasi kailangan nyo ang isa't isa. Laging maging magkaibigan or magkaibigan. So, ayun, I'm just happy. And regarding kung sa mainit man or hindi naman, lagi ako nagugulat every time na kami may one time, we went out and kilala kami as Calix and Luna. And hanggang ngayon, kahit 2 years na ba? Has it been 2 years? 2 years. 2 years has passed and we're known as Calix and Luna and nakakataba ng puso all the time. Ewan ko, minsan pag naririnig ko yun, mas lalo ko na-in-love yun.
You know, I think the best part of the whole thing is going to press cons and hearing what we used to say. Hyacinth was like, you know, how is it working with each other? And Hyacinth was like, you know, it's a safe space. And both of us were like, Yeah.
Sige, let me hear naman from Haya and of course Love. Kasi this time, si Marco at saka si Heaven are playing support to you.
Honestly, Tita, we're just so grateful na yung nga sabi ni Levin na we're like a family. And yeah, we have a lot of questions. Siyempre, bago po kami love team and I always ask them for advice, and they gave me even kay Chris Rome. And I'm happy na they're happy for us. Like, they're so supportive, and especially, di lang sila, pero lahat po ng cast. Like, syempre, each book, like, iba't ibang storya kami ngayon na po. So, they're like saying they're so excited for us, and gano'n. And syempre, next, si Aubrey na, di ba? So, it's just like surreal and just moment na kami na po yung mag-lead sa season 3, and we're very grateful, of course, kay God, to Viva, and kay Guay na they trusted us to do this book, and hopefully magustuhan po ng mga fans ang gagawin po namin.
Thank you. And of course, let me hear also from Haya.
Same thing. Gab said everything. I don't really put notice to anything like that. All I can say then is that we're very supportive with each other. We are like a family, and that's all that we think about, and that's all that we focus on.